Welcome back. In this session, we are going to look at sort transformation. As you can see here, the data currently is sorted by the country and it's sorted by reported year, week, ascending, but I would like to turn it around and have the data sorted on the reported year, week, descending, and then the country ascending, so that means you'll see all the most recent data on the top. For every country as opposed to just one country having all of this data. So let's use sort transformation to do that. So you just have to click there and then select sort, and I'm going to call this one as sort weekly because it's our weekly data. Our incoming stream is pivot weekly, and you've got a couple of options you can specify. So the first one is case insensitive. Say if you take that, it'll be case insensitive, or if you don't, then it's case sensitive. In our case, actually can be case sensitive, so let's leave it like that, and here you can also tick to say whether you want to sort only within a partition. As you know, Data Factory runs these data flows on a Spark cluster. So the data is going to be partitioned and pushed into different nodes to do the processing. So if you want to sort only the data within a specific partition and then bring it all together, then you would tick on that. But for us, actually, we want to get all the data sorted within the file, so I'll leave that unticked, and here you specify the columns you want to do the sort or based on. So we wanted to use the reported year, week, and that one, we wanted descending, and the country, we want to have ascending. So these are the two fields we want to do. With that, actually we've finished our sort transformation here, but one more thing to know about is we've used these columns within the string to do the sorting, but if you wanted to derive a column, you can click on the expression buildup, and similar to what you did in the aggregate transformation for the dim date, you can create your own columns here as well. So that's the sort transformation for the hospital admissions. If we can look at the data preview, but that won't make a lot of sense because we are only sampling 1,000 records, so that'll all belong to one country. Quite possibly so because we've specified the row limit as 1,000 for all of those, but let's have a look at the preview and see what's come out. Okay, as you can see, as I said, all the data relates to Belgium because Belgium's got more than 1,000 records, but as we expected, we got the reported year, week ordered by descending, so we're seeing the most recent week on the top, but once we've written the file to our sync, we can have a look at the data and make sure that everything's worked as we expected. So let's do the same thing for our daily file as well. So I'm going to again create the sort transformation here. In this one, I'm going to call it a sort daily, and we are going to pick the reported date, descending this time rather than the reported year, week, and we are going to pick the current country. Ascending as well, so with that, the sort transformation's finished for that. So let's refresh the data just to make sure that it's worked. Okay, so we got data for Austria and Belgium here. You see Austria in the top. That's because they're not publishing the weekly data, they're only publishing the daily hospital admissions data, and as we expected, we're seeing the same on the top with the country being sorted, ascending, so that's brilliant. So all of that has worked as we expected. That's the end of this session. I'll see you in the next one.